is based on water scarcity and water conservation. The name of our drama is
Save water, save earth.
Rain, rain, come away, come again another day. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little baby wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day.
Oh no, it's raining. How can we play now?
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day.
Oh, no, what are you saying? Uncle, we want to play. But this rain is falling up. Rain of today.
Rain of today, rain of today.
Dear children, maybe you don't know how water is coming toward us. This rain is providing a lot of water to us. If there will be no rain, there will be no water again. What nonsense, uncle! This earth has so many water and it will never be finished. Never be finished. Never be finished. Dear children, this way we are misusing and wasting water. This may lead to water scarcity one day. Can you believe it? Come, I will show. Yes, show us.
Namaskar, I am Sudesh from G100 Hours. A special report now. We have met many places. Due to scarcity of water, death of animals, people are not able to survive. If this continue in such a way, a day is not far away when life on earth will become decimated. Thank you.
Did you see it here? How can we stop this wasting of water? How can we stop? How can we stop? Whenever you see any wasting of water, stop it quickly. Stop it quickly. Stop it quickly. We will play some another day. Rain, rain, come this way. We will play some another day. ठंडे पानी से नहाना चाहिए. ठंडे पानी से नहाना चाहिए. गाना आए या ना आए, गाना चाहिए. अय्यो, so cold water. Oh God, this man is taking a bath here. I am getting a letter for work. Why doesn't anybody say anything to this man? I also have my new job interview. Excuse me, sir. Why don't you fill a bucket and take a bath this side? You are wasting so much of our time and water also. This is not anyone's personal shower. This is government provided tap water. Hey, although this is government provided tap, but no one has right to waste water. Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes, I understand. I understand. Always use bucket and mug for bath. Save water, save our country, save our earth. Save our country, save our country. Rain, rain, come this way. We will play some another day. Rain, rain, come this way. We will play some another day. What are you doing here at Riverside? You are looking man. I am washing clothes here. You are not only washing but also wasting and polluting this clean river's water. Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? But how? You can use this wastewater to trees or our home
लेके मैं निकला हो गड्डी लेके, हर रास्ते पे एक मोड़ आया कि साइकिल को छोड़ गया। एक मोड़ आया कि साइकिल को छोड़ गया। टिप्पा टिप्पा बरसा पानी, टिप्पा टिप्पा बरसा पानी, पानी में हो पानी में साइकिल नहाई। ओ मेरी साइकिल, ओ मेरी साइकिल, ओ मेरी साइकिल, साइकिल साइकिल साइकिल, ओ मेरी साइकिल।
What are you doing?
Are you blind? Can't you see? I'm washing my cycle.
But you can wash it by using wastewater. Why are you using clean drinking water?
This is my cycle, my water. I will do whatever I wanted to do.
No! This is wrong. Although this is your water and cycle, but you should not waste water like this. Do you understand?
Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes, yes. I understand. I understand. I understand.
Use buckets and mugs to wash your cars and motorcycles. Thank you, man. Water is for all. No wasting at all.
We should stop wasting water to save our society by now.
By now!
Use bucket and mug for bathing and washing.
Save water and our country and our earth. Save water, save our country, save our earth, save our country, save our life, save our life. Rain, rain, come this way. We will play some another day. Rain.